Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your TCL 30. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store. We'll need to try to search for the app and write Firefox browser. After finding this app, press install. After installation process is complete, we can open the app and start customizing it. So first thing, choose the theme. You can change it from light to dark or set it automatic. You can also change toolbar placement from bottom or top. Enable or change always on privacy settings from standard to strict, or synchronize other Firefox devices by signing up. You should also read this privacy notice, and after doing all that, press the start browsing, and the browser is ready. We can open any website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.